Hi, welcome to Manuscripts. We are going to go through the student account where we will see some of the features which can help students to write their research papers and essays. Let's log in and start. Once we log in, we can see there is a section of the document list. Let's start with creating a document. As you can see, there is a button to create a book. This will take us to a pop-up where we need to provide a title and description about the document you wish to create. We will provide climate change as a title and a short brief about the topic we wish to write about. Once we click on Create Document, it will take us to the Editor section. In the Editor section, as you can see, there are different options, such as autocomplete, citation, and settings. Also, there are two options in the editor, which are Generate Outline and Generate Heading. Let's start with Generate Outline. It will give a pop-up which has the description which we entered earlier, which we can edit here, and two buttons. One is to generate a new outline and continue with the editor. Once we click on Generate New Outline, as you can see, we have a list of chapters or heading for our research paper. Now we will continue with the editor. This will insert the outline in your editor, and Manuscripts will start writing your first introduction paragraph. As we saw earlier, the options like autocomplete and citation. Autocomplete enables Manuscripts to start auto-writing on behalf of you in the document based on the content written in the document. We will disable this for a moment and continue with other features. One of the most used features is the selection tool, which gives you an option to rewrite the content using AI. We have paraphrasing, AI edit, cite text, AI rewrite, and many other options like opposing arguments and translation. To use the translation feature, you need to set your preferred language here. There are more than 20 languages which this platform supports. Let's see how the selection tool works. We will select Paraphrase academically. Now there is a text box where we can add custom commands. Let's start with Generate Content. Once the output is generated, you will get four options, which are Replace, Insert Below, Regenerate, and Reject and Close. Once we click on Insert Below, it will insert generated content below the selected content. There are some shortcut commands as well, which you can use, like continue writing, write an introduction, write conclusion, write opposing arguments, and write more descriptive. Let's remove the initial introduction paragraph and see how the shortcut command write introduction works. Now, let's try to write opposing arguments. As there is content generated which has a different context or perspective on the same topic. Earlier, we had seen the option for autocomplete. Let's enable the option and explore that. Once we enable the autocomplete option on cursor or content change, it will auto-trigger in a while. As you can see, there is a content stream in the editor. Let's accept the stream, which will provide us with the cited content with the author's name. Once we click on the author name, you can see the details about the cited content are displayed along with two options, Preview and Edit. Preview will open the reference link, and on click of Edit, it will show all the details about citations. You can edit a few details like keywords and title. The one more option which we saw earlier was settings, which have basic configurations like autocomplete and citation status. Content length and description of your document, which helps AI while generating the content. Hope this video was helpful in understanding how you can start writing your research papers or essays. Stay tuned for more updates.